Hi, and welcome to the course, Firebase for Android Development. My name is Eric DeCanini, and I have around 3 years of experience as a full-stack Android dev, and I've used Firebase to build countless backends for Android apps, and do other cool stuff with them which we'll be doing in the course. And I drink a lot of coffee. Here's what we're going to do in the course. We're going to start with a slight introduction, just to get ourselves comfortable with Firebase and really learn what it is and what it can do. We'll start with a slight introduction, just to get ourselves familiar with Firebase and understand what it is and what it can do. And then we'll move on to developing backends, where we use Firebase authentication to get our users signed in, as well as use Cloud Firestore to provide our app with a database. Moving on, we'll be utilizing cloud storage, so that we can download and upload the images that our user uses within our app. Afterwards, things take a turn as we shift our focus to our users with Firebase Analytics, and we're going to learn different ways to observe data we can use to improve our app. Next, we're going to learn about Firebase Cloud Messaging, which lets us send messages through our users' push notifications, and we're going to learn how to use this effectively to increase our overall user engagement. Afterwards, we'll learn how to use Firebase Remote Config to give tailored app configurations to different segments of our users, as well as do a few other cool things. Things will take a turn again with Firebase Cloud Functions, as we learn how to write code that we deploy to the server, which will allow us to do things we normally couldn't do with code within our app. And finally, we'll do some quality control for our app, with testing and debugging services like Firebase Test Lab, Firebase Crashlytics, and A/B testing. What we want to achieve in the course is to understand what Firebase is good for, and learn how to apply a majority of Firebase services, because realistically, it would be pretty insane to try and fit them all in one course, but with the services that we'll be going through, you'll have more than enough of a foundation so that you'll be ready to learn the others if you ever need to do so. And in doing so, we're going to understand the 3 sides to Firebase development: backend development, user engagement, and development efficiency. So before stepping into the course, you need to make sure you've got a basic understanding of Android development, as well as Android Studio installed. Nothing too fancy.